Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. First and foremost, you guys, I do want to say hello to all my new subscribers that I've got recently. I seen you guys. I love you and I appreciate you guys for subscribing to the channel. Also, you guys, I would like to apologize. I know it's been a good minute since my last post, but there is a very good reason, you guys. Your girl is in college. I'm trying to get that degree, okay? Because listen, if you didn't know, I did go to college before, but I took a little sabbatical. And but you know, I'm back and I'm really trying to, you know, get that education, girl, okay? And you guys, I have a 9-to-5, so like I'm working all the time. And you guys, I also own an online clothing boutique, Aesthetic Label. You guys should totally check it out. I will put the link right down below. And you guys, I do want to post like Boss Babe and how I got started type of videos. So stay tuned for that because that will be coming. I promise you guys, when I have time, I will be posting YouTube videos. I'm gonna try my best to stay consistent as possible, but there's no promises. I do have a lot on my plate, you guys, but yes, I will try. But make sure you guys follow me on Instagram because I am always on Instagram. I post it on my stories and stuff. So that's another way to, you know, stay tuned and like see what I'm doing. Okay, guys, so for today's video, I will be doing a Telfar reveal. You guys, first let me tell you, okay, this purse, listen, there was a whole ordeal the day of the drop, okay? So let me just tell you, it dropped, I think like maybe a week and a half-ish ago, and because I remember, because I was at work, and I was like, all right, I'm gonna take my break early, okay, so I get to this drop at 9 o'clock. Girl, when I tell you, the shit sold out in 1 minute. I put it in my cart. I put my card information in, and as soon as I said, all right, complete order or process order or whatever the hell it was, it said sold out. And it was only 1 minute. I mean, like literally 60 seconds. I even called my mother and I was like, Mom, oh my God, I didn't get the bag. And I was like, I was really upset that whole entire day. Like that really fucked up my whole entire mood. Excuse my language, but it really did. Like, because you guys, this is a brand new color. Telfar has never dropped this color before, okay? So I was like, okay, I want a new bag, okay? Like, let's go. I still only have that small black one and the medium white. So I was like, all right, it's time for another Telfar bag. Like, what's the tea? Because he really wasn't dropping the colors that I want, because the other color I want is a medium black and I want a medium cream. Those are the only two left that I really want after that. I mean, well, after this one. So other than that, there's really not really another color that I want, basically. So I am so excited, you guys. Like, and I will explain to you guys how I end up getting the bag, because I didn't get it on Telfar.com. So stay tuned so I can give y'all, you know, a little tea on how I scored this chocolate Telfar bag. Okay, guys, so the bag came in like this little plastic bag like this. It got a T and a C in it. A, you know, that's my initials. Okay. And then it comes in like this really nice cloth dust bag, you guys. I'm telling you, this has really elevated the bag. This dust bag, it feels luxury. Now here is my baby. My baby. Okay. Let me stop playing, because I know y'all be like, she be showing her crackhead side. And okay, but I don't know why this white paper is in here. But anyway, you guys, this is the chocolate Telfar bag. I have never worn this. This is a fresh unboxing. I literally got this bag like maybe 2 days ago in the mail. This is legit, okay? I didn't pay a gazillion dollars for it. It's not a fake either, okay? Even though, you know what? I haven't seen people making fake Telfar bags yet. But I'm sure they are. But I haven't seen them yet. But anyway, here is the tag. Chocolate, make it melt. Okay. You know what? Let me stop. All right, this is the size medium. You guys know I prefer the medium over the small and the large because, you know, like I said before, I'm a big body, you know, this look better on me, you know. So, and look at the inside, you guys. Like, oh, this bag is just so rich. Like, I love this color. I am just, oh, I love it. I love it. I love this bag, guys. It's so stinking cute. Like, this almost look a little smaller than my white. Right now, I'm actually carrying my white Telfar bag. So, I'm definitely going to change into this beauty. And you know what, you guys? Let me show y'all something else that your girl got. I got this a while ago. I got this when they first dropped, and I just never, you know, had time to make a video about it. But I also got... Y'all know what this is. Y'all know what this is, okay? You know your girl. I like to spend those coins. It's like, I got the Durag as well. Listen, wait till I get my wigs. Wait till I get my wigs, y'all. I'm gonna be rocking this for real. This is gonna be so cute, and it goes with my purse. Like, ugh. How stinking cute is that? Listen, and I'm having a collection drop for my clothing line, and I'm going to have an all white, like, kind of like a sweatsuit, so a top and a bottom, and this will look so good. Like, put my Durag on, this chocolate purse. Ugh. It's a look, y'all. It's a look. All right, guys, so let me tell you how I got my hands on this beautiful chocolate Telfar bag, okay? So, like I told you, Telfar, like, the day it dropped, is sold out in literally 60 seconds, right? And I think it was maybe 2 or 3 days later after that, I woke up, because I was dead sleep, and I woke up and it was like 2:50, like 3 o'clock in the morning, and something told me to go on essence.com. Listen, I went on essence.com on my app, and I seen this bag. I was like, oh no, bye. Okay, I almost bought 2, but I didn't. I only bought this one. So I was like, oh my god, because I've seen Telfar bags before on Essence, but I never like wanted the colors that they had, so I was just like, whatever. But when I seen this, I was like, oh hell no, I got to buy this. Okay, like, throw it in the bag. But I really was shocked, honestly, because they sold out so fast on Telfar website. So I was surprised Essence even had these. They had this size, and they had the small, which is like, you know, the real small ones. I was like, oh my god, I need this. And then I would say maybe a couple days later, they had the medium black, but I was like, no, I just bought this one, so let me chill a little bit, because, you know, I've been buying up some shit, okay? Like, I really have. So I've been trying to calm down on that. So maybe next time, if they have the medium black or the cream, I'll get it, because, you know, time has passed. So I'm really hyped about this purse, y'all. I'm hyped, and I'm hyped about my Durag, okay? Like, wait till I get this bun done. Wait till I get this bun done. I am going to rock this, because this is so cute. And I was actually thinking about just wearing this to bed, but I was like, listen, not as much as this shit costs, okay? I'm gonna wear this out and look ratchet. I don't care. I'm gonna wear my Telfar Durag. So cute. All right, guys, that does it for today's video. I will link Essence website down below, so go ahead and check that out. And also, you guys, follow me on Instagram so we can keep in touch. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I see you in my next video.